Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are fine. Dear student, this is again your second online revision class video of SST. In this lecture video, we are going to revise our lesson number 3, which is climate. We have learned this chapter in the class. Now we are going to revise it again for your learning purpose, that you can learn it easily for your exams. Now first of all, dear students, let's discuss about weather. What is weather? As you know that some days are hot and sunny, some days are wet and it rains a lot. Sometimes there are hot, dry winds blowing. Sometimes there are thunderstorms and flashes of lightning light up the sky. This is the daily weather. In the chapter climate, we learn about different terms. So the first term is weather. So what is the meaning of weather? So weather changes day by day. What is weather? Weather changes day by day. However, in some places it is cold for long period of time. It is cold, then often instead of rain, snow or hail falls from the clouds. In some places, very little rain falls during the year. The land is hard and dry, and the temperature is usually hot in a day and cool at night. So we say these places have different climates. What is climate? We use climate, a word for the usual weather a place has during the year. Understand? What is weather? Weather changes day by day. But we say these places have different places. Which places? The places which continuously has a climate, warm or cold. So what is climate? Climate is a word we use for the usual weather a place has during a year. So we have two terms. Number one is weather. Weather changes day by day. Some days are hot, sunny, wet, it rains a lot, or you can say hot winds blowing. Understand? So where weather changes day by day. Maybe it's sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowing, stormy. What is climate? What climate is a word we use for the usual weather a place has during a year, or you can say that a climate is a weather condition of a place for a longer period of time. So in Pakistan, when we go in the north of Pakistan, it becomes very cold. Understand? When we go in the north side, in most part of Pakistan, we have a warm climate. Understand? But when we go in the north of Pakistan, high up on the mountains of the north, it is cloudy throughout the year. Understand? So, in Pakistan, the north side is very colder throughout the year. So, throughout the year means that a climate for a long period of time. Then Sibi. Sibi is the hottest place which is located in the Balochistan province of Pakistan. Sibi is the hottest place of Pakistan throughout the year. So, the climate of the Sibi place is hottest throughout the year, and in the north of Pakistan the climate is always colder. You can see Balochistan. Balochistan is a province of Pakistan, and when we talk about the climate of Pakistan, so we have in the north of Pakistan we have colder climate, and in the Balochistan province, which is located in the west south of Pakistan, so Sibi is the hottest place of Pakistan because the temperature of the city is hottest throughout the year and the temperature is 50 degree always. Now what is the difference between climate? You know clearly that what is the difference? Weather is the temporary condition of the atmosphere at a place, or and climate is the overall average weather at a place over a period of time. Or you can easily say that in the some simple words that weather change within a few minutes or hours, but climate takes very long time to change. Understand? Now we divide climate into different periods. What are these? The climate of a place is divided into different periods called season. And you know in Pakistan we have four seasons. What are these? These are spring season, summer season, autumn season and winter season. Understand? The cold time of year is called winter. The warm time of year is called summer. Summer and winter are the season. There are two other seasons in spring and there are two other seasons, spring and autumn. So in autumn, which comes after summer, it begins to get cooler and leaves fall from the trees. In spring season, which comes after winter, it begins to get warmer and new leaves come out on the trees. You can see different pictures of the seasons: spring season, summer season, autumn, winter. These all are the four seasons of Pakistan. And what are seasons? What is a meaning of season and what are the definition of season? The climate of a place is divided into different periods called season. Understand? Now we have some weather instrument. We can tell the climate of a place by measuring the daily temperature and keeping a record of changes in a weather over a long period of time. So we can then make a map to show the weather, the climate of any place in the world. So what are the purpose of weather instrument? Weather instrument is used to measure weather and climate. Understand? Now number first weather instrument is thermometer. What is it? Thermometer. Thermometer is a weather instrument. It is used to measure temperature. It is used to measure temperature. What is temperature? Thermometer. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. Another weather instrument we have weather vane. You can see the picture of weather vane. It is used to find out the direction of wind. It is used to find out the direction of wind. Number third, rain gauge. What is it? Rain gauge. It is used to measure rainfall. Understand? It is used to measure rainfall. What? Rain gauge. Rain gauge is a weather instrument. You can see the picture of weather instrument, which is rain gauge. Now barometer is another weather instrument and it is used to measure air pressure. Barometer is a weather instrument and it is used to measure air pressure. Now who are meteorologists? Who are meteorologists? People who study the weather and climate and keep records are called meteorologists. You can see the picture of meteorologist. Understand? So this is all about your chapter climate. I hope you revise it well. Now we have some questions which we have already done in your classwork notebooks. So the question number 1 is, how many seasons are there in Pakistan? You have revised it well and you have to learn these all questions because these all questions are included in your final term exam and you have to must learn it. How many seasons are there in Pakistan? We have revised it. There are 4 seasons in Pakistan. The answer is there are 4 seasons in Pakistan: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Another question: which season comes after winter? Spring season comes after winter. You have to learn all these questions. Understand? Now, question number 3. Which is the coldest part of Pakistan? As we revised it, as we learned it, that the coldest part of Pakistan is northern mountainous region or Gilgit-Baltistan. Understand? Now, which is the hottest place of Pakistan? So the hottest place of Pakistan is Sibi. The answer is Sibi. Now we have a question that what is the difference between climate and weather? The difference between climate and weather is that weather changes day by day, or you can say that weather can change within a few minutes or hours, and climate takes very long time to change, or you can also say that it is a weather condition or a word that is used for the usual weather a place has during a year. You can write by your own self. Understand? Now another question we have, the last one. How can you find the climate of a place? We can find the climate of a place by using weather instrument to measure temperature, humidity, rainfall and air pressure, etc. Understand? These all questions are included in your course content as well, and you have to learn these questions for your test, for your exam, final term exams. Understand? Now you have a book exercise 2. The book exercise, which is exercise A on page number 16. Understand? The climate chapter we have, and we have a book exercise which is included, which is on page number 16. Exercise A, only exercise A is included in your final term exam and your test. Understand? So what is it? You can see, make your own glossary of instrument and use for recording the weather by finding the right names from the lesson and writing them against their meanings. Understand? So anemometer, number first, dash used to measure wind speed, anemometer, dash used to measure air pressure, barometer. Then we have used to measure rainfall, so rain gauge is used to measure rainfall. Another, thermometer used to measure temperature, and weather vane used to find out the direction of wind. Understand? Just exercise A is included in your final term as well as your test. Understand? So you have to learn the exercise and the questions which we have revised. Understand? So your diary is learn question number 3 climate full. Understand? Learn, because you have to learn lesson number 3 climate, which we have done in the notebooks and book exercise page number 16, exercise A. You have to learn all these. Understand? Thank you.